Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. If you only had 1000 to invest in 2026, what would you actually do with it? Not millions, no 100k, just a simple 1000. In this video I'll show you exactly how I would invest if I was starting from scratch. Step by step, simple, beginner friendly. By the end, you will know where to put the money, how to balance risk, and how to grow it long term. Let's get started. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor and this video for general education only. This is not financial advice. Investing involves risk and you can lose money. Always think about your own goals and situation before you invest. Okay, so that's out the way. Let's look into investing. Before investing, most beginners make one mistake. They try to get rich fast. They chase random stocks, hype stocks, random tips online. But the real wealth usually comes from three boring things: consistency, diversification, and time in the market. Not time in the market, time in the market. So with $1,000, I'm not trying to flip it. I'm just trying to build a foundation so I can keep adding into it. So this is the exact plan. Half of the money goes into broad market, 30% goes into income generation, and 20% goes into high growth. So that's it. 3 ETFs, 3 jobs: base, income, and growth. First 500 goes into ticker WOO, WOO. That's the base. WOO is Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF. It's made to track the S&P 500, basically big US companies. Why do I like this for the beginner? Because it's simple. You're not picking one stock, you're spreading your money across a lot of companies. Also, the fee is very low. Vanguard lists WOO expense ratio at 0.03, which is to say if you put $10,000, that's $3 fee. Here you can see chart of WOO. This is a TradingView chart on weekly candles, and on the right hand side right here you can see the key stats: how much volume it's been traded, average volume, assets under management, which is huge, 865 billion, and the dividend yield, 1.11%. So if you look at the overall trend, this is monthly candles. Next 300 goes into SPYI. SPYI is the NEO's S&P 500 high income ETF. It aims to generate monthly income by holding S&P 500 stocks and using call option strategy. Why did I include this? Because it can add cash value to your portfolio, and for beginners, cash flow can help you stay motivated. Income is not free money. SPYI can still drop in price when the market drops, and option strategies can also limit some upside in strong bull markets. So I'm not putting all my money into it, just 30%. So this is a SPYI chart on TradingView. As you can see, it's fairly new. It started on August 2022. It went down, went up, went down, went up, had a small downtrend right here, and overall is going up. This is daily chart, and if you look down here, this is dividends. You can see it pays dividends every month. 53 cents January, that was December, November, and it keeps going. And right here you can see the key stats: how much volume is being traded, average volume, assets under management, which is almost 8 billion, and the dividend yield, almost 12%. So the last 200 goes into VGT, which is the growth tech. VGT is Vanguard's information technology ETF. It focuses on tech companies so it can grow faster, but it can also swing more. This is a growth booster part, but I keep it at 20% because tech can be more volatile. Let's have a look at this chart on TradingView. So this is Vanguard's information tech ETF, and as you can see, this is weekly chart, and if you go to monthly, you can see the trend is always going up and up and up. Quick key stats: volume is 380k, average volume is 560, assets under management $110 billion US, and the dividend yield. And if you compare this to Woo chart, you can really see the difference. So in blue line, you can see the Woo chart, which is overall market S&P 500, and you can see the difference. And let's compare also SPYI on the same scale, and that's on green. So these are the three charts, and if you go to weekly, you can get more clearer picture, because SPYI is fairly new ETF. Overall it's done 7%. SPY or Woo done almost 58%, and tech is on 82. IVV, this is from iShares S&P 500. This is the equivalent to Woo, and then there's xyld by Global X. This is very similar to SPYI, and you can see the dividend yield right here, 9.84, and the tech, I think this is more involving software stocks, that's why this downtrend right here. And again, this is on weekly candles. Big difference is the dividend yield is 13% compared to VGT, which is just 0.41%. Tech, xyld and IVV, these three are listed on ASX. So if you want to buy directly from Australian market, these are the three you're looking at. So the most important rule: invest regularly, not perfectly. You don't need to time the market. You don't need to predict crashes. You just need to keep adding money over time. Even small amounts can build into something big if you stay consistent. So to summarize, how I would invest 1,000 in 2026 as a beginner: 500 goes into Woo, 300 goes into SPYI, 200 goes into VGT. Now I want to hear from you. How would you invest 1,000 today? And if you want more videos on investing, building wealth, subscribe to the channel, and I'll be posting weekly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.